You know what? Your heart skips a beat when you sneeze. And that's why people were saying, bless you while sneezing.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Uh-oh, by the way, I'm an army. Okay, coming to the point. Remember that your heart doesn't stop when you sneeze. It may get delayed for a second before resuming its regular rhythm. Briefly, right before you sneeze, you inhale deeply. This builds up extra pressure in the chest and slows down the blood flow to your heart. And next, your throat closes up and you suddenly and violently exhale. This sudden pressure and blood flow change results in a brief interruption in your heartbeat. That's it. And now, you know.